In this hands-on, we'll explore the concepts of iterables, iterators, and callables in practice. As discussed in the associated lecture, these concepts are not only fundamental to Python programming, but are also widely applicable in various domains, such as those we're using in these hands-on coding sessions. An iterable, as we discussed, is an object capable of returning its members one at a time. In Python, lists are a common example of iterables. Here we have a function, for instance, called identifyPattern that checks for a specific DNA sequence pattern within given sequences. We utilize a list of DNA sequences as our iterable, and by employing a for loop, we iterate over each sequence, applying the identifyPattern function to determine the presence of a specific DNA pattern. This example underscores how iterables allow us to process collections of data sequentially, which is a cornerstone in fields like bioinformatics, financial analytics, and so on, for tasks such as pattern recognition and anomaly detection. Moving on to iterators, let's discuss this in the context of stock price anomaly detection. An iterator is an object that enables a programmer to traverse through all elements of a collection, regardless of its specific implementation. In this code snippet, for instance, we focus on the anomaly detector class used for identifying anomalies in stock prices. Notice how we convert the list of stock prices, an iterable, into an iterator using the iter function. And then by using the next function within a while loop, we manually iterate over each stock price, checking for anomalies using the isAnomalous method. This approach is particularly beneficial in, say, financial analysis, as it provides a structured way to traverse through and analyze the data. Finally, let's integrate callables with iterators in the context of streaming log processing. As we discussed in the previous lecture, a callable in Python is anything that can be called. In this case, processLogLine is a callable function that processes a line from a log file. The log processor class, an iterator, is designed to read a log file line by line and apply that callable to each line, as you can see over here. This setup is particularly useful in, say, real-time log file analysis, in systems administration, cybersecurity, and similar fields, where logs need to be processed continuously and efficiently. In conclusion, through these examples, though basic, we've seen how iterables, iterators, and callables can be elegantly used in Python to support real-world problem solving in a variety of domains. They needn't be the 3 domains that we're specifically covering in this course. These concepts enhance our ability to essentially write clean, efficient, and maintainable code. And in the following sessions, we will delve deeper into these concepts and their applications, combining them together with additional concepts you'll learn in the following lectures and hands-on sessions. See you in a bit.